Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be building my very first PC with all these parts. I'm going to try to do my best to get this all on video, so let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my power supply and use it as a ground, and then I'm going to start loading up the motherboard. I've got a 1920X Ryzen Threadripper, and I'll be using X399M Taichi by ASRock. Here we got our motherboard. Just going to show it off a little bit. And I'm going to put the RAM in. I'm going to put my CPU in. And I'm going to put my M.2. I'm probably going to put it like right over here, I think is the best. Alright, so we got our RAM in. I hope we got the RAM in right. CPU's in. SSD is in. Now I'm going to put the motherboard in the case. Alright, got the glass panel off. I know it's getting hard to see, but I'm trying to do the best I can. Now I'm going to put the I/O shield in, which goes back over there. Alright, so a couple of things I had to do. I had to take off, probably cannot really see it. There we go. I had to take off one of the standoffs, and I think I got to put one over here. And then I can put the motherboard in. And I also took this fan out. Alright, so I finally got the motherboard in. After messing around with another standoff, they had to go right here. And then the other one had to be moved right here. I'll screw in, I'll screw in the motherboard now. And then we'll take it from there. Alright, got all the screws in finally. And I got the RAM placed right. I had someone look it up for me. Thanks. To shout out to them. So now I'm going to start with the power supply, hooking everything up and getting the power, all that front I/O put in. And then I'll probably do fans if I can get that far. Alright, so I got HD audio plugged in, HD lighting, power switch, power reset, header plugged in. Now I'm gonna do the power supply. Alright, after a lot of problem solving and troubleshooting, we have gotten the front case fans on. We have AIO on. We got a lot of cables in the back, but I'll get to that later. So now I'm going to put the vertical mount for my GPU here. Plug it in. Plug in the computer and cross our fingers. Hopefully it works. Alright, before I continue, I must say that trying to get this on was a complete pain in the ass. There is like a plastic tab that runs around, like along here, and I couldn't get this on. You can still see there's kind of a gap. It was hitting the front of the fans, and I had messed around for a while thinking that the metal tab here had to be ground down. So what I did is I just removed the whole tab, and it kind of works, but I'll have to mess around with that later to get it a little bit better. Alright, the time has come. Got the graphics card in. Got that vertical mount set up. Got the riser cable in the back. It's plugged in. Now we're going to see if this thing can turn on. Alright, here we go. Turn it on. Got some light action in there. That little LED thing. Alright, moment of truth. Wow. Hopefully that's not something bad. And it turned off. Oh, and it turned back on. What does number 10 mean? I know that means something. That fan's going. Oh, it might be looking for a USB. Hold on. Well, I put a USB in. It has Windows 10 on it. Keeps turning on and off. Let's see if it does something this time. 10. I gotta figure out what that means. Holy. After a long day, I fucking managed to get my PC to post. Holy cow. So, what I did is I unplugged the 4-pin, and no, it's the 8-pin. I unplugged the 8-pin, I plugged it into the 4-pin. You know, you guys can't see it that well. I think I might have been putting in the RAM incorrectly, but I'm posted. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what does it say? Alright, we're installing. I'm gonna let this roll a little bit. These fans will not shut the fuck up. How the other fans are going though? I'm excited about this thing. LCD screen, the 2080. I know it's a little bit of a mess, but I'm excited for this. It's gonna be good. Some nice airflow. Got the little Wi-Fi thingies. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Oh yeah, I gotta do the peel of the little glass panel. Man. So about yesterday, I was still getting code 16 on this Dr. Debug readout, and I was like, man, what is going on? I tried to have 2 more RAM sticks in here, and I got these 2. I was like swapping them out, putting them in each one. I was like, man, what is going on? And finally, I came home from work. I told you guys I switched the 4-pin and the 8-pin. I just put them over here. I tried turning it on. This thing's doing something again. And it posted. I was like, no fucking way. So yeah. Certified bro moment. These fans are still going. Alright, after building this entire PC, I think it's time for a slow-mo peel. Oh yeah.